In the last couple of weeks, we had so many Australian clients which are relocating or just opening the company in the UAE, and it's just getting more. So I just thought to make this video for you if you didn't know about this solution that you can have the company, a residency, a personal and a business bank account in Dubai and pay 0% personal income tax and only 9% corporate tax, and very easy and simple. And even you can pay 0% corporate tax if you follow a certain structure. So if you're really thinking to set up your company in Dubai, well, listen up on this video. I'm going to tell you all the easy steps of how you can do that and how to get the bank account and how to live anywhere in the world. Step number one, of course, get the details with me on the call. I'll give you all the instructions of how and what kind of company activity you can open. That's very important. Choosing, for example, the right free zone, the right business activity, because that's very important to get the corporate bank account. If you choose the wrong company, the wrong activity, you won't get the business bank account. That's where we come into place and we help you structure it correctly. Then you get the residency, which is the visa and the ID. And at the moment, we have an offer on until November. At the moment, there's a visa for life. So every 2 years, the visa gets renewed and you'll save about 1,500 US dollar. Click the link below, just book the call with me. I'm happy to help you on that one. So continue. You have the company license, you get the residency, medical, fingerprint, very easy. What you have to also keep in mind, you have to come here about 5 working days. We just now had the client, he come on Sunday. He come from Bali, he's Australian, going back to Australia now, and he's flying today. So he's getting his ID, we're doing his phone number, opening his personal bank account and starting his corporate bank account, because he doesn't need to be here for the other steps. Everything is done digital. So it's very easy. Before that, he was just doing a 2 weeks process of license and visa, which is mentioned. He come here and he's already flying back within 5 working days. He could have maybe flown yesterday as well, but we wanted to finish all the processes. So you see, it's very easy. And the thing is, in Australia, as you know, you need to probably show through the government the CRT certificate. This you can get after 1 year. You can go with an accounting company or you can do it online yourself. You can search on Google for that one. It's very easy to find that, but to put all details in, it's not that easy. So that will cost about 1,000 US dollar if it's needed, if you need to show to the government in Australia a residential Ijari contract. You can also show that you can, if you're living here or you're renting something or if you're living with someone else. It all depends on what they need. Maybe they don't need it. We had some clients asking, but I don't know if they really applied for it and had to show it. So it's just to be very on these steps. What's also the benefits of it? So if you make 100,000 or 500,000 or say 900,000, you'll pay 0% tax as well. And even if you buy a property and you're renting it on Airbnb, no personal income tax. Receive the money on your personal bank account. And what's the other benefits? You don't have to even be here. You have to just be here every 6 months, usually for the investor visa. Sometimes it can be up to 1 year. You can stay out of the country, just enter one time and exit again. It's very easy, and you're keeping the whole setup as it is in the beginning. And that's the amazing part. And you can open as many bank accounts as you want. So I have my personal bank accounts, which HSBC, I have Maastricht, I have Vayu, I have CBD, for the UE. And then we have, for the business, we have Islamic and Vayu. That's enough. I wouldn't need it. The Vayu one is the digital one. You only have the support on email and on the chat. The MBD Islamic is a proper bank, a physical bank. And there I have a relationship manager, because that's also, we use the high amounts from clients to send us money. So we can receive it, and any problems I have or anything, I can just go to the bank, I can call my relationship manager, and it's always needed. I think it's always helpful to that. We can choose that. You can go with a simple online bank. It's like, Vayu is like Revolut, WIO, you can Google that as well. And if you do need any information on some clients, we don't give out client information, of course, but we have one client, we set up his crypto, he's doing crypto software in DMCC. And he's happy to give you any reviews ourselves, because I'm also partnering with them. I made the video, interviewed them actually. You can see that on our EmiratesBusinessSetup.com or on YouTube. You can find that video with Costa and Marcos. So they're also in 2 weeks, they're coming back to Abu Dhabi. There's a crypto event, I will also be there. So if you're also interested to set something up here in the UAE, just book that call with me. It's free of charge. I'm happy to help you. You can also read the client reviews. And this channel is my unscripted, it's my personal one. I don't do any edits. I just like shoot out my content. We have the Emirates Business Setup channel as well. There we do the edits, and there's more as a business, and there's a podcast videos there. So I just separated it for this channel, also vlogs and showing a bit of my insights, and just it's just me talking. So if you need to find out more, just book that call with myself. I'm happy to help you save a lot of money, have a better lifestyle, enjoy your life with your family. Also invest into the future, because if you think about it, and even me making money in my business or in Germany, paying 30, 40, 50% taxes away, and then you have other fees that are coming with the documents from governments, it's just pain in the ass. It's tiring, and then you think about, what are you working for? So all that money you put into something you could have used for yourself. Of course, it doesn't work with every country, but if you say, for example, you want to open a barber or restaurant, a salon, it's the same thing. You have the same situation here with the taxes. Labor is cheap, easy system, no salary slips. You don't have to pay any extra fees, insurances, so very easy and simple.